What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Kicked Out of 4-Star Hotel Over Her Obnoxious Behavior.
3rd, 2024, officers responded to a hotel for a call of a domestic disturbance.
Lawrence Lamech Police Department. What seems to be going on tonight?
Nothing. We're about to leave. We're about to go home.
Okay.
So, we're fine. We're definitely arguing and being loud, and I apologize. It's me. I'm screaming at him, so...
Nothing got physical?
No, never. He's a really good boyfriend. It's me. I want to go home, back to Michigan, so I don't want to do this. Yeah, so I don't want to do this anymore, be here. So we went on that bourbon tour and definitely screaming at each other. So I do apologize.
That's okay.
I feel bad for everybody.
What will happen?
Nothing. We just built up anger from Michigan that we thought this trip would help us, and it obviously didn't.
Okay.
So we're ready to kind of go home.
I got you.
So I apologize.
Hello, how are you?
Doing well. How you doing?
Good. I think we just had, I don't know if you were here or...
I was.
Okay. They're back still arguing. It spilled out into the hallway, fighting.
You physically saw them fighting?
I guess one of them says they have a cracked lip open. So we are going to request, since this is now the third time, that they go ahead and just be removed, if that's all right.
Okay.
So,
too easy.
if you guys don't mind, I'm sorry. Hate to do that.
It's all good. Were you drinking more in there?
Oh, yeah.
You seem like you're a little bit more intoxicated.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
I don't want to break.
Does he want to break up with you? Is that what's going on? Okay. What happened in there? I think you guys were arguing again.
We weren't, though, actually.
Well, I heard them yelling at least. So what happened since we were last here?
Nothing. Normal. We were fine.
You sure?
Yeah, oh, 100%. Like, we weren't fighting or anything.
Can you tell me what happened? You said nothing at all happened. I just need you to tell me what happened.
No, sir. No, sir.
You're not going to tell me?
He's... Do you hear him? He's saying nothing. He cheated on me with this girl. I'm sorry.
I understand, but... Paige,
I'm sorry.
Paige, you gotta listen to me. You gotta listen to me,
Sorry. He cheated on me.
I understand that I was wrong. But Paige...
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to walk away from you.
There's good ways to handle things, and there's very bad ways to handle things.
And we've been doing this for 2 months. He's such a good boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
He is the best boyfriend I have ever had in my entire life.
Mm-hmm.
I've never had a better boyfriend. I'm so sorry. And he did. He cheated on me.
So what happened since we left? Because I know that when I saw you go
Nothing.
in the door,
He cheated on me.
you wanted to hug him, and he didn't want you to touch him. So I saw that part, and then the door closed. So
Yeah.
what happened?
Can I show you? Am I allowed to show?
What is that? What am I looking at?
My bruises.
So, Paige, we're gonna have to figure out a game plan tonight, okay?
We're fine. We're
I
going home.
don't think so, because here's the deal: the hotel staff is.
They want us to leave. They want us to leave, and we're okay with leaving.
I understand. Hold up, Paige.
I don't want y'all to think that we're not okay with leaving. We were packing, and we weren't even fighting.
Paige.
Got called.
Can you let me finish, Paige?
Yes.
All right,
yes,
so
sir.
your boyfriend is packing up everything in the room right now. All right, he's good on the fact that you guys have to leave. All right, so you're trespassed from the building, and we're going to make sure you leave.
Okay.
So
yes, sir.
She is too drunk. Too drunk. Does anything that she says make sense? He's a good boyfriend. He cheated on me. We weren't even fighting. But the people downstairs are saying that somebody got a busted lip. Yeah, I wasn't even fighting, but how somebody get a cracked lip? And then she wants to show her bruises. I thought you guys weren't fighting. Come on, man. I don't know if she wants to paint herself as the good guy or the bad guy. Because in the beginning, she's like, it's my fault, it's me, it's not him. But now you want to show off bruises? So which one are we supposed to believe here? What is going on? Man, hopefully this just goes peacefully. Because it seems pretty simple trespass or whatever. Just go get another hotel for the night. Seems like it should be smooth. Okay, it should be smooth. I'm hoping, it doesn't turn out to be something else.
Here's the deal, though. This has been going on all night. This is the second time we've got called out here.
This is the third night.
This is the second time we've been called out here to talk to you guys.
You've seen my bruises. Sorry,
He doesn't like to get touched.
He's seen my bruises.
I know.
You've seen them.
All right, but here's the thing that I was understanding, Paige, is that I was being told, okay, is that your boyfriend said he didn't want you to touch him, and then you touched him.
But
and
it's
he
okay to.
grabbed you and pushed you off.
But
of
it's
him.
okay to smack somebody in the face.
You got smacked in the face?
Oh yeah.
By who? Did it hurt?
No. I'm a
Well, why did you get smacked in the face?
I mean, that's who he is.
You just told me he was the best guy in the world. Why are you telling me now that he beat you?
I mean, that's not beating. In Detroit, you think that's beating?
Well,
I love it.
Oh, so it's a
Hell yeah.
okay.
It's kind of hot.
She like the she a little freak, huh? She a little freak nasty, huh? She like the aggression. Ooh. She said she like to get smacked. Ooh. Oh boy, this remind me of them 50 Shades of Grey movies. Hey, if you know, you know. If you don't, you slow. Okay. But that's the thing. That's tricky with this type of situation, right? You can't sit here on one end and say, you like the aggression, but then when it doesn't work in your favor, he's abusive. But you like that though. I don't know. It's a little.
Okay, so then it's something else. All right.
In Detroit, it's a little different. Y'all don't kind of know. Get off your phone. What is homeboy doing?
He's doing his job.
I mean, I've been pulled over by
Paige,
a million cops.
You're being rude to my partner, and we're being.
I apologize. I am so sorry. Am I being?
That was really rude to talk to my partner in such a way.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
All right, Paige, we gotta figure out a game plan tonight because this is the second time
We're
got called
going
out
home.
here. You can't because neither of you can drive. So he's gonna find a different place to stay tonight, and I think it would be best if you found a different place to stay tonight.
I don't have any money. All my money is his. So we have to stay together.
No, not necessarily. You can get 2 different rooms and sleep in 2 different beds tonight because clearly being intoxicated right now.
I'm gonna make a call real quick.
Yeah. Hey, just hold up, Paige. If you want to sit down, we don't have any chairs out here though.
Oh, it's okay. I'm a thug. I'm from Detroit. I'm gonna get.
That's what you keep saying.
I'm such a fighter.
You're a fighter.
I'm
Who are you
fighting
fighting?
myself.
What do you mean you fight yourself?
Stop. This is why I hate the police. This is why.
Oh, it is?
It is.
You hate me?
No, I don't hate you.
Okay,
You're super sweet.
No, but you just yelled at me. You got an attitude with me, Paige.
No, I got an attitude.
Because I'm asking you questions?
The Detroit cops are a little different than y'all.
Okay. Well, Paige,
Okay.
So here's the thing I don't like. When I'm being here and nice to you, and I'm being very, very friendly, and I'm just concerned about your well-being, and then you snap at me like that,
No, you're
and you cuss at me.
I apologize.
So we need to be on. You did cuss at me, Paige.
I apologize.
So here's what we're not gonna do. No,
Cussing.
you lost
Cussing?
your handshaking privileges.
No.
Yeah, you
No.
cussed at me. You're
Do
getting
you
an attitude
hear
snapped
that?
at me. Hear what?
Do you hear that? My Alabamian. I'm not going to jail.
I just gotta walk you downstairs. We just gotta escort you down. We'll go in the elevator, okay?
I'm not going to jail though.
No one's going to jail right now.
Correct? I'm not going to jail.
You sure you don't have her driver's license?
You want it or you want it?
She definitely does need her driver's license right now, bud.
You need to go to jail. It's in one of these bags.
I'm going to jail.
Hey, ma'am, you said get off of him. You gotta get off of him.
He's giving me a phone.
He said get off of him. Ma'am,
Hey,
stop.
No.
relax
Paige?
your ass.
Paige,
I'm
I'm holding your
walking
arms. Don't pull.
I
I don't
know.
want to dig all this
Never.
shit through
Okay.
the bags.
You
Never.
the same page?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
You're funny.
Keep your hands behind your back. Stop.
Hold on. You don't let me
Why
go.
did you...
Because you're touching him without his consent and you're pulling away from me. At this point, I'm gonna place you in cuffs. You are being detained right now, okay?
Good job. We're free to go. You keep doing this shit.
I didn't touch you without consent.
He was telling you to stop touching him.
Oh, I apologize, Bubba. He's my boyfriend.
Doesn't mean that you can touch someone who's you're dating without their consent.
Run to that extent.
Why is he not arrested?
Alright, because the entire time, Paige, he was trying to get away from you. You were touching him without his consent. That's called
I
harassment, physical
apologize.
contact.
No,
Alright.
he
I want to
accepted
explain
it.
something. I know you're intoxicated, but just because you're married or dating somebody doesn't give you the consent to do things to them when they don't want you to, okay? They're still human beings.
100%.
Alright, so when he says, please don't touch me, please don't kiss
Yeah.
me, and you're kissing him and touching him, that is a crime.
100%.
That is
you
a
can
crime.
ask him.
He was saying no.
You can ask
Alright.
him right now.
Alright, so Paige, at this point, so
apologize.
we're going to take you to jail tonight. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct, second degree, and public intoxication, first offense. Okay. I've been really cool with you tonight,
No,
Paige, but
you
there's
have.
no
There's
other
a
solution.
point. There's
no other solution for
There's
tonight.
a
Okay.
point.
Because
So I
if
appreciate.
we let you
Am I
leave,
allowed? No, I'm not.
If we let
I'm
you
not
leave
trying
tonight-
to coax.
yeah, if we let you leave tonight, it's just going to be the same problem again with you and your
No,
boyfriend.
no, there isn't. I'm leaving him. I need to go home. I need
Okay.
to go home to my mom.
We'll take care of you.
Can you call my mommy?
Yeah, we can call everybody. Okay.
No, I don't want to call my mommy.
All right, you're going to stand right there for me.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and trespassed from the hotel. Thanks for watching.
I thought we was finally gonna get a video where they're not calling for their mommy, but just when I thought we were gonna get one, right at the end, she has to call her mommy. Mommy ain't getting you out of this. You're drunk and you need to go rest. Spend a couple of hours in the county or down in Bookings or whatever. Stay there for the night because you need to sober up. She don't even know what today is, man. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good. They talked pretty nice to her, which was definitely a good thing. They try to keep her as calm as possible, but she's just too drunk. She literally just needs to rest. That's my take on it. I mean, she needs to rest up, and just chill out, and get her story correct, because yeah, she's bouncing all over the place. But anyways, so I'm gonna give the officers, 4 out of 5, man. I think they did a pretty good job, all the way up and, all the way throughout. So how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.